Dear viewers, welcome to my Focus YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss with you on how to pronounce V and W sounds in English. The sounds denoted by the letters W and V in the English alphabet is often confused by foreign language learners of English. However, it is very important to know and practice the correct pronunciation of these two sounds so that listeners do not confuse words that sound very similar. Take for example the words worry and very. They can be easily confused when their beginning sounds are mispronounced. To learn the correct pronunciation of this sound, you need to know these characteristics. When pronouncing it, the lips are put forward and rounded. The back part of the tongue is raised towards the soft tissue at the back of the roof of the mouth. The vocal cords vibrate during the articulation. The air is only allowing to escape through the mouth. The air is directed along the center of the tongue. Now practice wa, 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 word, wonderful. Now, to learn the correct pronunciation of V sound and to differentiate it from wa, we need to know its characteristics as well. Air flows through the narrow channel at the place of articulation. You can test this by pronouncing the sound and holding one hand in front of your mouth. It is articulated using the lower lips and the upper teeth. The lower lip is slightly put behind or against the upper teeth. It's voiced. This means that you let your vocal cord vibrate when pronouncing it. V, V. Vacuum, velocity, victory. Now let us see these words to differentiate between a V and a W sounds. Went, went, vest, west, wet, wet, very, wary, veil, whale, verse, worse, wine, wine, wove, wow, worst, worst, volley, volley, vase, vase, vary, wary, whim, whim, viper, viper, whale, whale, vice, wise, wix, wicks. Practice the and W sound words regularly for an effective pronunciation. Thank you for watching the video. Like the video and click the bell button to subscribe.